Hey guys, and this is Reggie Williams with Stock Talk. And I was doing a quick video, man. Today's Sunday, and I was doing a quick rundown. This video doesn't have an expiration date, even though it's done today, which is January 10th. But this is another example on max debit spreads. So I have at least 2 or 3 videos as of right now of max debit spreads. And so I just wanted to give a quick example, make a short video. Check out those videos. I will link them below. And so max debit spreads, right? This is the power of it. So I bought Tesla, right? This was on the 7th. So this is my E-Trade account. And on the 7th, I bought a 810 call and sold a 820 strike price call. So this is a debit spread, right? And so that debit spread cost me, hang on, I had the pre-calculation, trying to give the exact amount, but it was like $352.04. So this spread here, right? So you buy the difference. And so it costs $969, and then I got a $618 credit. And so you pay the difference between those two, which was $352.04. So that 352 expired. So this expired on the 8th. So expired. So I bought this the day before, right? Bought on the 7th. It expired on the 8th, which is Friday. And so this is it settling here. These top two is it selling. So these bottom two are the ones I bought, and then here it is settled, right? And so and it settled on a Saturday because the Friday expired. And so basically what happens is they both expired in the well in the money because Tesla is on a crazy tear right now. So they settled well in the money, and you have uh, the difference. So you get the difference. So the difference between $820 and $810 is $10 and times 100 because you get 100 shares. So that's $1,000 at the end of the day, right? So now this account does not have $81,000 in it. Don't get fooled by that. But basically, and you can. This is the beauty of debit spreads, especially for people with small accounts. If your broker will, they will. You basically, I bought $81,000 worth of Tesla and sold it at the same time. So the difference is here, minus whatever they charge for options, right, for the contracts. So that's it. So my difference was $989. So I got a gross of $989 minus the 350 that I bought them for, right? So that's awesome. So that is exactly 998, $645.96. So I basically, I made $645 in one day, risking $350. The power of a max debit spread. And no, I do not have $100,000 account here. But your broker, if you just all it requires is a margin account, and your broker will buy and sell. So now, even if you get caught, right? Let's say I get caught, and only the 810 was in the money, and the 820 wasn't. Then yes, I'll be assigned $81,000 worth of stock, but you just got to resell it, so it's not a big deal, right? Even if you don't have that in your account. So this is the power of it, because Tesla, right? So if you don't have $900 to put on one, and again, this type of risk should not, it should be less than 5% of your total account, right? Your total account value should be less than 5% of a move like this. So if you don't have $900 to spare to risk, right? Uh, you can cut that in more than half by using a debit spread. So instead of spending $900, I spent $350 and got a crazy return on a max debit spread, which is my go-to strategy. Also, if you don't have a small account, you have a big account, right? You can do the same strategy, but buy more than one contract. This one is based off of one contract, one debit spread, one. So even if you did had a $900, uh, so three. So let's say I bought two. That's a heck of a return. So you don't have to buy just one. So again, it's an investment. These are risks. They all have risk. This is one of the lower risks compared to just buying. So if I'd have just bought, and I did it the day before, right? Because I feel time is a risk. For me, time is a risk. Um, yes, I could have went out a week. Like if I went out a week, to me again, for me, it's money sitting on a move I knew it was gonna make. So to me, time's a risk. So it depends on your own trading strategy. So I do recommend adding the max debit spread into your trading strategy. Look at my other videos on max debit spreads. This is Reggie with Stock Talk. Any questions? Leave a comment. And also like and subscribe so you can get updates on all my videos when I drop these little gems. But max debit spread is my go-to strategy. I love it. All right, see you in the next video.